GSXR 1000 electrical problems. I was riding it one day and all of a sudden everything just turned off. I coasted into the parking lot, fucked with it for a couple hours. The battery was fully charged, but it wasn't drawing any power. Then came back that night with my truck, put the key in, and started right up, and it was fine for a couple weeks. Then did the same shit the other day. I go to take it off, turn the key on, neutral light only, nothing else, nothing, no light, nothing. Neutral only, and the dash flusher won't light up. So I take the shit apart, go through all the wires, and everything. I cleaned everything, put it all back together, and I was fucking around shifting gears with the key on to see what happened. All of a sudden, boom, everything came on. So I don't know if that was for messing with the wires or what, or for, you know, kicking the gears. But I had it all working just fine. Tried it like 20 times, put the fucking thing all back together, back out my door, get to my gate, and the same shit. And now it's fucking stuck in the goddamn neutral safety shit. See that? I wonder if anybody else has dealt with this. I'm thinking it's a rectifier, but I'm not sure, since when I was shifting gears it came on last time, or if that was for me fucking with the wires. It's pissing me off. Somebody's got to know this. Help me out if you can, please. I don't know. I'm going to check the ground, because it sparked when I put something metal to prop the tank up. So hopefully it's a bad ground or some stupid shit like that. I don't know. Fucking frustrating.